Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, haircare, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I love affordable makeup, so if that's interest you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have this pending makeup haul for the longest amount of pending Amazon haul for the longest amount of time, and it was just getting delayed because of Diwali. I was busy in family functions, Diwali and all. Now that I am back after 4 days of being MIA, I thought let's just do this. So I have created this look. This will be up, and usually makeup tutorials take me a lot of time to edit, so that will be up later. But today let's just talk about whatever I got during this Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. And yeah, let's just get started. So I wanted to do first of all, you guys, it's been 2 years, 2 years since I have purchased any brushes. So I wanted a pencil brush, a flat top kabuki brush, and some small brushes. So before that, I was like collecting these big brushes, and they're kind of pointless now to me because I just barely set my face. So it's funny how your makeup preference change, and that's why I need new brushes. So instead of I thought I would buy individual brushes, but they were like costing me so much. Also, I wanted a brush cleaner like really bad. So when I was scrolling through Amazon, the individual pieces were costing a lot more, so I got some sets. So let's just start. I wanted a pencil brush. Today I have, as you can see, used this to smoke out my lower lash line, and I bought this set just because I want this brush, and this set was 200 something. The prices will be here or here. Okay, so this is the brush set, and this is really small. I was expecting a large container, and I was like, I will store my brushes, like it's like really small. I hope you can see. Yeah, I hope you can see, it's really small. So yeah, this is good for holding these brushes only. We'll get to the other brushes. So this is the plastic thing that came with it, and these are the brushes. So I just wanted a pencil brush, but I thought I will get these things as well. And these are beautiful. As you can see, the pattern is also on the handle. Okay, so let's just quickly go through all these brushes. The first thing, they are really soft. They are really soft, so soft, and I love this one also. And first of all, they are really lightweight, really lightweight. So yeah, I really love this one for blush. It's so soft, so dang soft, and these were like 200 something, and this is so good. And pencil brush is also really soft. I want a soft pencil brush for the longest amount of time to smoke out my kajal. Now I have it and I love it. Okay, so just because of these two brushes and the case, this brush set was already paisa vasool. And we have a fan brush. Not a huge fan of fan brushes, so I don't know if I will use this one, but it's there. And then we have this weird liner brush. I don't know if this will be of any use. I will try it. Yeah, maybe this will be useful. Okay, and the things which I don't use, I just quickly throw them. I don't like to accumulate clutter in my life. So if I will, yeah, see, this brush is of no use. I don't know what a weird shape, and I think I will throw this one. This is pretty useless, so why to keep such things in your home? Okay, now I love the spoolie. It's so soft. It's so soft, you guys. So this is the spoolie, and this is a good spoolie. I am so happy with the spoolie. And then we have this angle brush to fill your eyebrows, I guess, but I will never use this. I don't know. I don't like the shape of it. It's not that thin. I don't think so. I will keep this one also. And this, I'm so happy with this one. And these days and these days we already have winter up. Winter season is started. So, and now I will not set my my face. I will just set my under eyes. So it's so soft, and this will be perfect for under eyes. And yeah, it's perfect size. I'm so happy with, you know, these small brushes. I wanted small brushes like really bad. Okay, then we have this flat shader brushes, and flat shader brushes are quite useful to, you know, apply shimmer, so I will keep this one. And this one, okay, it's a very small flat shader brush. So if I want, you know, to apply, yeah, a shimmer shade as a liner, this will be used, you know, used, this will be useful, so I will keep this. And I don't like this, this was already, you know, this is broken, and I don't think so I will use this one, so it's better to throw this one out. Same goes with this one. I know I will never use this, you know, it, you can apply like foundation, but you cannot blend it, so what's the point? So I think I will throw this one also. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 brushes are useful. That is good thing. So yeah, I'm quite happy. I wanted a pencil brush, but I think this you know, is really useful. Okay, on and on, I'm so happy with, you know, my purchase. And this one was like 200 something. I don't remember the exact price point, I will definitely mention here, but I think I really like it. Now I'm happy with my purchase. The next set is this set. Yeah, this set. And I wanted a flat top kabuki brush, that's why I was like, let's just get this set. And I'm 50-50. I'm not like extremely disappointed, because I will come on to the other things that I got with this set. I got the brush cleaner. I wanted a brush cleaner, and this set was with brush cleaner, and again 200 something rupees. So I was like, let's just grab this. And first of all, can you guys see, the eye brushes are so soft. I was so happy, but they are so much you know, bent in the transit, I don't know, and they are useless. How will I use them? They are so soft, but since they are like this shape, these are pretty useless. See, so I called the Amazon customer care service. They refunded me because they don't return it. I wanted to return this. I want these brushes, but they don't have return policy on makeup. They only have refund policy. So I got my money back, and I'm so pissed off. Do let me know if there is any way I can you know, fix this. So it's pretty damn useless as of now. I don't know what to do with these are, you know, eye makeup, you know, you need so many brushes, so I was disappointed. Okay, now I wanted a flat top kabuki brush, and I got this. So this is the brush. It's, now I want like really small powder brushes, but a flat top brush, I wanted a bigger one. I was not the happiest person, but these are not bad. I can use this for BB creams and all. Especially for that, I need a brush, not a sponge, and that's why it's okay, it's okay. So we have a slanted one and a flat one, you know, straight one, and these are same size. We have a powder, you know, this one, this is soft, not extremely soft. It's okay if you want to apply powder like this, you can do that. We have a pencil brush, which is really hard, I will not use it. And then we have a contour brush, so I'm really looking forward to use this for contour. And then we have a really small dome shaped brush. You can apply powder or blush with it. And yeah, so on and all, these are okay. Like I like the flat top kabuki brush, because of it I have bought this, so happy with that. Okay, now also the blush cleaner, because of this I bought this set. Individually this brush cleaner was 135 rupees, and this set was 200 something, I don't remember. So this you have to just use like this, and just take your shampoo, and you can take your brush and just clean this. Okay, so I wanted to purchase it, and I was getting this in the set, so I bought this. Also this comes with this sponge, and it's a pretty purple shade, but it's like hard. Can you guys see? It's hard. So when I wet it, it's like it the size will you know, it expands when I wet this, but it's not so soft. Can you guys see? It's so stiff. I don't know if I will use this or not. Not the happiest person when it comes to this sponge, but on and all, I want the brush cleaner, I want the kabuki brush, I got them, and it's okay. Okay, now going on to the last set. I was so excited. I was so excited. Can you guys guess why I was this excited? Look at them. These are purple brushes and they are mermaid theme, and I was like so excited. And these are heavy, you guys. The other two set were like really light, but these are really heavy. So yeah, I don't know if they are metal or not. Let's just see. So we have this fan brush, and I think this will be so cool just to have this mermaid fan brush, you know. See, so cute. And I don't know, I will use this fan brush, but you know, for photos and all, this will be really cute. I'm confused, what will I do with this brush? It's like a giant brush. I cannot fill my eyebrows with it. Maybe nose, yeah. Oh my god, I can do nose contour with this. Okay, so this is useful. Okay, I will do my nose contour with this one, and I will do maybe use these brushes in, you know, full face first impression. Okay, now we have this foundation applying brush. I will keep it. The ferrule is so cute. I will not throw this. Maybe I will, you know, do skincare videos, and I will, you know, be fancy, and I will be applying my face pack with a mermaid themed face pack brush. It will be so cute. So it's so cute, I like it. And this set was 400 rupees, but I think they are so cute, they worth all the penny. They are cute, I like them. Yeah, I can apply my brow bone highlight with it. Okay, we will see how I will use them. These are cute, but are these of any use? We will see that. And now we have, okay, a flat shader brush, which is not that small. So yeah, okay, maybe for concealer and all you can use it. I don't know, these are cute brushes, but are they of any use? We'll see that. Now we have, oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. This is the best blush brush ever. It's so cute, and these are so soft. These are really soft. So I will apply my blush with this mermaid blush brush. I like it so much. You can apply powder and everything. Okay, we have a contour blush brush. See, it's angled and curvier. I like it, and this will be perfect for, you know, contour. I like it. These are so soft, and the handle is like not that lightweight, and I like that. Okay, a perfect contour. Okay, now we have a flat kabuki brush which is angled. So again, we can apply foundation. I will apply my foundation with this beautiful mermaid theme brush. I like it so much. So soft. These are so soft. I will highly recommend you. This mermaid one is so cute, and these are not useless brushes. These are useful. Okay, now we have a big fluffy brush. Can you guys see? Oh my god. Okay, it's a big fluffy brush, so it will be useful to, you know, just keep a clean brush in your hand and just diffuse the harsh edges, you know, the outer crease. Okay, I like it. So also I can apply my highlight. I love applying highlight with a big fluffy brush, so I think I will use this for highlighter. Okay, then we have, oh my god, it is a beautiful crease brush. It's like really big, so it will be again good for applying the crease shade. Wow, can you guys see the give? It's like really blendable, so it will, you know, blend shadows. Wow, this brush kit is so useful plus so cute. I'm like so cute. I'm so happy. Oh my god, the video is long, so I think I will make 2 parts of this one because this video is so dang long. So yeah, these were all the blushes brushes, and so I have more stuff, so I will show you in part 2. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.